Most side hustles sound exciting until you ask one question. Can you actually test this before the week is over? If the answer is no, it's probably the wrong starting point. You cannot afford to waste another week chasing a vague online money idea. If you are new here, I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned property investor. I break down practical money systems that help you earn better, manage money smarter, and build toward property investing. So in this video, I'm using the Start This Week filter to show you 7 beginner-friendly online side hustles you can start this week. For each side hustle, we'll check who it suits, how the money is made, the first test you can run with what you already have, and the trap to avoid. Here is the filter. For every side hustle, check 5 things. 1. Skill fit. Can you already do the basic task? 2. Time fit. Can you test this after work, after class, in the evening, or over the weekend? 3. Simple offer. Can you explain what you sell in one sentence? 4. First test. Can you create one sample, send one message, or apply to one platform this week? 5. Trap to avoid. What mistake could waste your time, money, or trust? The goal is simple. Do not live with 7 ideas. Live with one online side hustle you can actually test this week. The first side hustle starts with a problem many South African job seekers already have. Their CV sounds like everyone else's. It says hardworking, reliable, team player, but it does not show what they actually did. This creates a simple service you can actually test this week: CV and LinkedIn profile cleanup. Position the offer like this: I help job seekers clean up their CV and LinkedIn profile so they look more professional before applying. For example, the old CV might say, good communication skills and admin experience. You can write that into something more specific: handled customer queries, updated records, prepared documents, and supported daily office admin. You are not inventing experience. You are making the real experience easier to understand. Now use the Start This Week filter. Skill fit. Can you write clearly? Time fit. Can you review one CV after work, after class, or over the weekend? Simple offer. Can you explain this in one sentence? First test. Can you create one before and after CV sample? Trap to avoid. Can you keep the promise honest? Your first test this week is simple. Take one CV, create one before and after example, and message 5 people. Hi, I am testing a CV cleanup service this week. I can help improve the layout, wording, and LinkedIn summary. Would you like me to review yours? That is the test. One sample, one clear offer, 5 messages. The danger is this: do not promise someone a job. You are not selling guaranteed employment. You are selling clearer wording, better structure, cleaner presentation, and a more professional profile. Ask yourself, can I take one messy CV or LinkedIn profile and make it clearer without inventing experience? If yes, you have a simple service to test this week. The next side hustle is for people who are better with visuals than writing CVs. A lot of tutors, coaches, trainers, and small businesses already have the knowledge, but their slides make that knowledge look messy. Their notes may be useful, but the presentation looks overcrowded, confusing, or unprofessional. If you can make messy information easier to teach, that offer becomes: I turn your notes or training content into clean slides. You are not saying I'll build your whole course. You are not saying I'll create your full training business. You are selling one clear output: clean slides. For example, someone gives you messy note for a lesson. You turn it into a simple 5-slide deck. Slide 1, title slide. Slide 2, the problem. Slide 3, the teaching points. Slide 4, an example. Slide 5, the recap. That is already a sample you can create this week using Canva or PowerPoint. Now, use the Start This Week filter. Skill fit. Can you make information look cleaner and easier to follow? Time fit. Can you design a short 5-slide sample after work, over the weekend, or after class? Simple offer. Can you explain the service in one sentence? First test. Can you create one sample slide deck from messy content? Trap to avoid. Can you keep the offer narrow? To test this, start with one messy piece of content and turn it into 5 clean slides. Then send that sample to a tutor, a coach, a trainer or small business owner and say, "Hi, I am testing a slide service design this week. I help turn messy note or training content into clean presentation slides. I made this short sample so you can see the style. Would you like help cleaning up one of your lessons or presentations?" That is the test. One messy note, one 5-slide sample, one clear offer. The mistake is selling yourself as a full-course creator when you are only designing slides. You are not building the course strategy. You are helping the person make their existing content cleaner and easier to teach. Ask yourself, can I take messy notes and turn it into 5 clear slides that someone will actually want to use? If yes, this is a strong test because people already have content. They just need someone to make it presentable. If this is already helping you to choose a realistic side hustle, subscribe. I post practical money breakdowns for you every week. The next side hustle is simple. Take one useful post and turn it into one useful email. Many coaches, consultants, small businesses, and creators already post online. But after a few days, that post disappears in the feed. A newsletter ghostwriting service helps them to reuse the same idea as an email their audience can receive again. The offer stays narrow. I turn your post or ideas into one weekly email newsletter. You are not saying I will run your whole marketing strategy. You are not saying I will manage all your content. You are selling one clear output, one email. For example, a coach posts a short LinkedIn tip that teaches one idea. You take that post and turn it into a short email with 4 parts. 1. Subject line. 2. A short opening. 3. The main point. 4. A clear call to action. That is already a sample you can create this week using Google Docs. Now use the Start This Week filter. Skill fit. Can you write clearly and organize ideas? Simple offer. Can you explain the service in one sentence? First test. Can you create one sample newsletter from one public post? Trap to avoid. Can you avoid selling a service that's too big? Your test is one public post turned into one short email. Choose one creator, coach, consultant, or small business that already posts online. Then message them and say, "Hi, I'm testing a newsletter writing service this week. I noticed you already post useful content, so I turned one of your posts into a short email sample. Would you like me to help turn your post into a weekly newsletter?" That is the test. One public post, one short email, one clear offer. Where beginners go wrong is selling content strategy too early. You are not building their whole marketing machine. You are helping them turn ideas they already have into one useful email. Ask yourself, can I take one social media post and turn it into a clear email that someone would actually want to send? If yes, you are not selling writing in theory, you are selling consistency. The next side hustle starts with a mistake many small sellers make. They buy stock before they check demand. But in WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, school groups, and community groups, people are already leaving clues on what they want. If you can spot repeated questions, complaints, and price mentions, you can turn those public patterns into a simple demand report. People inside community groups are already asking questions like, "Where can I find this? Who sells this near me? How much does this usually cost? Does anyone know someone reliable?" What you are selling is not secret information. It's a simple demand report. You help small sellers understand what people are looking for in groups so they can create product demand. You are not selling advertising. You are not promising sales. You are not managing someone's WhatsApp group. You are selling one clear output, buying signals a seller can understand. For example, you track one group for 3 days. You are not spying on people. You are looking for repeated patterns, repeated questions, complaints, price mentions, and requests. Then you create a one-page report with 5 sections. 1. Common requests. 2. Repeated complaints. 3. Price mentions. 4. Products people keep asking for. 5. Possible offer ideas. Now use the Start This Week filter. Skill fit, can you observe patterns and summarize them clearly? Time fit, can you check one group for a few minutes a day over 3 days? Simple offer, can you explain the service in one sentence? First test, can you create one demand report from one group? Trap to avoid, can you keep the research ethical? Your first test this week is simple. You can approach a small seller and say, Hi, I'm testing a product research service this week. I tracked public buying signals in a group and created a short report showing what people are asking for, common complaints, and possible product opportunities. Will this kind of weekly report help you to decide what to sell or promote? That is the test. One group, 3 days, 1-page report, one clear offer. This only works if you keep it ethical. Do not spam groups, screenshot private conversations, or pretend you have secret data. Ask yourself, can I look at one active group and spot repeated buying signals without spamming, copying private details, or annoying people? If yes, you are not selling random opinions. You are selling clarity before someone spends money on stock or ads. By now, one of these should already feel more realistic than the others. Comment online and tell me which one you would actually test this week. Now, the next 3 are quick tests. Do not overthink them. Create one sample, test one offer, and see who responds. If you are good at making documents look clean, digital template customization can be a quick test. A lot of people need simple documents, a CV, price list, invoice, budget tracker, or menu, but they do not want to start from a blank page. Package it like this. I customize simple template for your business, studies, or personal admin. Start by creating 3 examples, 1 CV template, 1 simple budget tracker, and 1 small business price list. Then offer to customize one for a person or a small business in your network. Run it through the filter. Can you create 1 useful sample this week and explain the offer in 1 sentence? The legal line is simple. Do not copy and resell template illegally. Sell customization, not stolen designs or vague resale rights. Ask yourself, can I take a basic document and make it cleaner, more useful, and specific to someone's needs? If yes, this is a quick option to test. But if design is not your strength and your voice is clear, the next side hustle uses VoiceOver MicroTask. VoiceOver MicroTask can work if you have a clear voice. But do not make the beginner mistake of buying equipment first. Some businesses and creators need short voice clip for adverts, explainers, tutorials, or social media reels. Here, the pressure is different. Do not spend money before you know if anyone wants your voice. Your offer can be, I record short voiceovers for small businesses. Start with 3 short samples, 1 advert voice, 1 explainer voice, and 1 calm professional voice. Then send those samples to a small business, creator, video editor, or small agency. The beginner mistake is buying an expensive microphone or software before testing demand. Ask yourself, can I record a clear 30-second clip that sounds professional enough to send? If yes, this is a quick option to test. The next side hustle is website usability testing. Some small business websites have unclear buttons, slow pages, missing contact details, or checkout steps that make customers leave. Position it this way. I test your website like a customer and show you what is confusing before people leave. Start with 1 3-minute review of a local business and explain what could confuse a customer. Run it through the filter. Can you explain in simple language and give 1 useful improvement? The platform trap is relying on testing platforms because work may not arrive immediately. You can sign up for testing platforms, but also send your 3-minute sample directly to small businesses. Ask yourself, what will make a customer hesitate, leave, or fail to contact the business? This is a quick option test before choosing the side hustle that fits you best. Now, do not choose the one that sounds exciting. Choose the one you can actually test this week. The mistake is trying to start all 7. That is how you waste another week. Use the start this week filter and choose one. Can you do the basic task? Can you test it with your current time and tools? Can you explain the offer in 1 sentence? If yes, that is your starting point. And if your biggest problem is that you want to start, but you do not have the money to invest upfront, watch the next video, how to start a side hustle with no money. It will show you how to test ideas without waiting for perfect tool, capital, or confidence.